Hello and welcome to the Financial Fix, where we bring you the latest updates on trending topics in finance. In this video, we will be discussing a topic that is relevant to many people right now: how to survive a recession. A recession is a period of economic decline, characterized by a decrease in economic activity and a rise in unemployment. Recessions can be caused by a variety of factors, including a financial crisis, a natural disaster, or a global pandemic. The first step in surviving a recession is to assess your financial situation and make a plan. This may involve creating a budget, cutting back on expenses, and identifying ways to increase your income. It's important to have a clear understanding of your financial situation and to be proactive in managing your finances. Another important step is to focus on building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a savings account that can be used to cover unexpected expenses or to provide a financial cushion in the event of a job loss or other financial hardship. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. It's also important to prioritize debt repayment during a recession. This may involve consolidating high-interest debt, negotiating with creditors, or exploring debt relief options. By reducing your debt load, you can free up more money to put towards savings or other financial goals. Finally, consider exploring new sources of income or ways to diversify your income streams. This may involve starting a side hustle, learning new skills, or exploring opportunities in the gig economy. By diversifying your income, you can protect yourself against job loss and other financial shocks. By reducing your debt load, you can free up more money to put towards savings or other financial goals. In summary, surviving a recession requires a proactive approach to managing your finances. By assessing your financial situation, building an emergency fund, prioritizing debt repayment, and diversifying your income, you can weather the storm and emerge from the recession stronger than ever. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on trending topics in finance.